Hi! In this video, I am going to teach you how to link sections on card. So in order to link your sections on card, first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a card account. Head over to their website, which is card.co, and you should be able to see this. You can either choose a starting point or log in. So if you choose a starting point, you can design and sign up at the same time. If you already designed and signed up for the first time, you can now log in because you already have an account. In my case, I'll head over and then log in. From in there, you can see your dashboard. So I have in here this design, and this design has separate sections. Let me click onto this icon right here in order to edit this site. Now this will open my site. So as you can see, I have in here this first option, and we have in here this second section. And if you want to add another section right here, just head over and click onto this plus icon and click onto this control. As you can see, we have in here section 2. You can do so and add some more if you would want. Now, if you want to link those sections, what you can do is you need to make sure that you remember their hash right there. So as you can see, this will be the about hash, and this one will be section 2. You can click on it in order to rename it. Now, in order to rename a particular section, you can click onto this section break and click onto this name. So for example, let's name this contact. Now, if you want to link it, you just need to click on the button or a text that you want to add it with. For example, let's choose in here this button, expand this, and then choose in here the URL. For the URL, input right here hash, and for example, let's input the contact section. Once you have done that, this will be added right there. And expand it and click onto this icon in order to publish it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.